Hey guys, today we want to present preemptive priority. At first, look at the process here. The question have been given P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. At first, look at the arrival time here. When the arrival time is 0, P3 come in. So we label here. The priority of P3 is 3 and the burst time is 8. So we put P3 inside the box. When the arrival time is 3, P5 come in. The priority of P5 is 2, the burst time is 9. And we also need to keep update the burst time here, which is 3, because it's the range between 0 and 3, equals to 5. So now we compare the priority between P3 and P5. We choose P5 because lower the number, higher the priority. Now the arrival time is 5, P4 come in. The priority of P4 is 1 and the burst time is 5. We choose P4 because 1 is the highest priority in this question. We also need to keep update here. Now when the arrival time is 8, P2 come in. The priority of P2 is 6 and the burst time is 7. We need to update the value here, which 8 minus 5 is 3, equals to 2. We compare the P4 and P2. We choose P4 because 1 is the highest. Now, when the arrival time at 10, P1 come in. The priority of P1 is 5 and his burst time is 4. So P4 is the highest priority, so we choose P4. Minus 2 equals to 0. So and now P4 is done all the process. At this situation, we choose the remaining process according its priority. So now P5 is the second under the priority under 1. So we choose P5. And below here is at his remaining burst time. After this, we choose P3 and add his remaining burst time. After this, P1 and P2. So now we do the calculation part. We calculate the average waiting time. So at first P1, and look at the box here. We choose for the below the box here, 22. Minus is arrival time, which is 10, equals to 12. And P2, same goes with P2. We choose under the box here, 26. Minus its arrival time, which is 8, goes to 18. And P3, we have 2 P3 here, is here and here. First step, we pick this 0 and minus its arrival time, which is 0. 0 minus 0 plus 17 here and minus the behind here. Equals to 14. P4 is here 5 and minus its arrival time, which is 5, equals to 0. P5 with 2 P5 here, which here and here. So first step, we pick 3, minus its arrival time, which is 3, plus 10 and minus here. Equals to 5. Now we add all these number and divide by 5 process here. 12 18 plus 14 plus 0 plus 5. Divide by 5, which is 49 and 5. The answer is 9.8 ms. Thanks for watching.
I would like to introduce to you what is non-preemptive shortest job first algorithm. For the non-preemptive shortest job first algorithm, the value we'll have to see and use are only process burst time and arrival time only. The priority will be not going to be used in a non-preemptive shortest job first algorithm. So first, to start the algorithm, we will have to seek for the smallest arrival time first, which is P3. And then we put its starting time here and its burst time here. The second one I would like to say is non-preemptive shortest job first. Its sequence are based on the burst time. So which means the smaller burst time, the earlier coming. So the smallest burst time are P5, but as you can see, the P5 is arrival time are bigger than the burst time of the P3. So which means it is not enough space for the P5 to come in. So we find the second smaller one to place in, which is P4. And then we put it in burst time add with the first process, which is 5 plus 7. In the third one, we will continue seek for the smallest burst time, because as you can see, the burst time already become 12, which means it is already enough space for the P5 to come in. So we let the P5 in, and add the burst time of 12 with the burst time of P5, which is 12 plus 4. So it becomes 16. And the 4, we still pick the remaining smallest burst time value, which is P1. So we press in P1 first and end the 16 with the P1 burst time, which is 16 at 9, which becomes 25. And the last one, we pick the remaining one. It's very easy. So the remaining one already is the P2. So we press in P2 first. And end the 25 with the P2 burst time, which is 25 at 10. So it's become 35. So this is our sequence. Now we move to the average time calculator. To calculate the average time, we first need to find out the process is waiting time first. To calculate the waiting time, we need to take the process is starting time minus its arrival time. Let's start calculate the waiting time. So for the P1 is starting time is 16. Its arrival time is 7. So we take 16 minus 7 equal to 9. For the P2 is starting time is 25. Its arrival time is 5. So we take 25 minus 5 equal to 20. For the P3 is arrival time is 0. Its starting point is 0. Its arrival time is 0. So we take 0 minus 0 equal to 0. For the P4 is starting time is 5. Its arrival time is 4. So we take 5 minus 4 equal to 1. For the P5 is starting time is 12. Its arrival time is 9. So we take 12 minus 9 equal to 3. After all waiting time calculate, we sum out all waiting time. So 9 minus 20 plus 20 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3. After that, we divided it by the total process. So it is 5. So 9 plus 20 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 33. 33 divided by 5 is 6.6. So 6.6 is the average time of this sequence. Okay, this is how we do the non-preemptive shortest job first algorithm. Thank you.